MedSearch Sales Group has been placing sales and sales management professionals since 1981. Our recruiters are former experienced medical sales reps who have been in the trenches and have first-hand knowledge of what you want. We specialize in finding the best passive candidates coast to coast in biotech, pharmaceuticals, disposables, devices, and equipment to fill your most critical openings. Job seekers seeking change have come to know our company as the type of firm that puts them first and provides the right career fit, not just the job. We have earned the reputation for being honest and trustworthy, and that's what separates us from the competition. Give us a call today at 1-800-359-6363 or log on to www.medsearchsales.com and get the ball rolling to a great new career.